How to fix Bluetooth device stuttering problem. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your Bluetooth device stuttering problem. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step that you'll need to take is simply head over to your control panel first. And what we'll do here is we'll try to remove all of your advanced enhancements. So after you're here, simply open up your sounds. After you open up your sound, you'll see your headphones. Now, after you've connected to your headphones, if you head over to the properties and if you head over to change settings, you'll find an option that says remove all advanced enhancements. After you do that, your issue should get fine. Now, since I have not really connected to my headphones right now, the feature is not yet available, but yeah, you can search for it and you should be good to go. So the next fix is open up your settings, and after you open up your settings, we'll do a simple troubleshoot. After you're on your settings, head over to system, and after you're on your system, scroll down till you find troubleshoot. Open up your troubleshoot, and after you're on your troubleshoot, you'll find an option that says other troubleshoot. Head over there. Now if you scroll down, you'll find the Bluetooth option. Tap on run and run your troubleshoot for Bluetooth. As you can see right here, the troubleshoot should be starting anytime, and after you're done with that, your problem should get just fine. Yeah, just remove all of your enhancements, remove all of your you can restart your drivers, and then after you do all of that, restart your Windows device altogether and your problem should get fixed. And yeah, that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.